Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step real demonstrations, how to fix a screen passcode of any iPhone device. When you have entered multiple times screen wrong passcodes, then it's going to be unavailable for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or half an hour, 2 hours, or either you forgot or mistakenly you have entered multiple times a screen wrong passcode. How would you immediately fix it? We will see live here, step by step. So just we will go for an administration, that is a phone tool unlocker. This tool especially has been designed to fix the various issues related to our iPhones, that removal of iCloud within one click from here. Yes, you can remove the Apple ID also. You can remove iTunes backup, encryptions, and of course you can also remove the screen time passcode. But right now here is having the problem that is related to a screen passcode, so just beware. Here they are and we'll go for next. So here is the thing that you will have to put this into the recovery mode. So recovery mode, there is a feature, just we will back and here is a recovery mode feature. So see here, if we are having this situation, simply we will go for put into a start to a recovery. So now see here, this device automatically it will be pushed into the recovery mode. Now after pushing, it will display like here on iTunes logo. Now we will go for confirms, then once again here we will have to back and we'll go for removal of screen passcode. Just we will go for next. So now it has started to fetch a firmware. We have to do nothing, just we will go for now remove now. So when we click, just we will have to go for yes, and see here it has started to remove the screen passcode immediately. So just we will wait here. We don't know how much time it will take, so scarcely 5 to 10 minutes that can be estimated here. So just we are waiting. Now see here, it's removing the screen passcode. So now see how fastly it has started to execute here. So if you are having these kind of challenges, then of course immediately go for download this phone tool unlocker and immediately you can fix it. We are on a speed slam the 22%. Now it's going to exit from, just to see recovery to, especially it's going in a normal mode, and see further what's going to happen. So it is still, now it's accelerating but gradually. Don't worry, we will have to wait here how much time it's going to take. So let's see. Now it has initiated to accompany this speed slam the new firmware that is providing this phone tool unlocker. Now see, it has been successfully removed the screen passcode guys here. Now it's rebooting. So here what we will do guys here, just we will wait and see here what's going to be the result of, especially on this device. This device came to my show in the morning. Now we can see here we came on a hello screen. So we will go the inside of this and we will check it out. So just we will select the language, we will go for the country Andhra Pradesh. We will see the result here. Now we will go for setup manually, just we will go for continue, and here it's essential that internet connection. So let's have the Wi-Fi. Now it has been connected. Now it's activating guys. So just we can see here what's asking. It's taking a little bit time, so we'll have to wait here guys. Now see, we came on our data and the privacy, so nothing is coming now. Just we will go for here back and we'll go for set up this later. Now we will go for here set up this later, so don't use. Just we will go for don't use. Now don't transfer. Now just here we will click don't have. So we have especially now don't have. Just to set up this later. Now we will have to accept the term and conditions. We will go for continue. Not now. Just let it enables. Just we will go for continue. Don't share. We will go for here. Now that we can see here, everything has been the cleansed. Now see, and this is fully smoothly functional.